Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I get my hair bun to look decent. I didn't even know I could actually do a hair bun on my 4C hair until like a few months ago, but I'll show you how I'm able to do it. So I first start off with freshly washed hair and I use this leave-in conditioner. It's called the Quench leave-in conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. It's a pretty decent leave-in conditioner. It's kind of watery a little bit, but it's really nice. And I just submerged that all over my hair. The number one thing I've learned these past couple of months is that number one, you want to make sure that your hair is stretched as much as possible to where your texture is still shown. I'm using just very simple twists for this, but you can do anything that you want. Bantu knots, flat twists, whatever stretching method you want to use. That white monstrosity over there is the BodyWorks natural souffle hair put-in, and I just use a generous amount and put that all over my hair. Finally, I use this Jane Carter setting mousse. It's a setting mousse specifically designed for natural hair. It doesn't make your hair like too stiff or too hard or anything, so it's good. For my twist, I'm using pretty decently large sizes. They're not too big, but it's like 2 by 2 inches, and I just pretty much just twist it. So after I was done doing the twist on my hair, it literally took like 15 minutes. I went ahead and I put little tiny rubber bands all over my hair to stretch it even more. And honestly, with the twists, with the band-in, literally chef's kiss. It was so great. So about like 24 hours later, my hair was still actually wet, but that's fine. It's just going to be a ponytail for the day. So after I was done and took everything out, my hair was still a little bit shrunken. It usually takes like days for me to have a decent amount of stretch where I'm really comfortable to go outside, which is really bad, but that's the truth. But this is just how it looks like, and it doesn't look so bad. Like, I don't hate it, but we can like improve on it. So to tie my hair up, I use a shoelace, and honestly it's literally the best way possible for me for my hair type. And honestly, it's literally like God's creation. Like, literally that's what shoelaces were made for doing 4C hair buns. I just love it. And the ponytail was fine. Like, there's nothing terrible about it. It's a pretty decent sized ponytail, but it's just whenever I go off to the side, it looks kind of interested. But either way, I go ahead usually and I always oil my hair every single night with Jamaican black castor oil, and I twist my hair. And the next day, it always looks pretty good, actually. I go ahead and use Jamaican black castor oil because it's a really heavy oil, and I just really like it. It helps with your edges, helps with hair growth. And then I go to sleep, and when I wake up, it usually looks pretty good. I do about 6 twists. I always do 6. Once I did 5, it looked bad. It's probably my Venus, I don't know. But afterwards, I go ahead and I make sure to get rid of all of the dreads, because sometimes I get dreads when I leave my hair out for too long without combing it. And for a reference, this is how long my hair is. You can't really tell so much, but really I have a crap ton of breakage, especially on the crown of my hair, and sometimes I get really self-conscious about that. But the ponytail I did before this, I went ahead and I actually went outside. Like, it's fine, it's a good ponytail. So I always make sure to just pull out all the dreads, pull it apart. That's literally a critical step whenever I'm like 1-2 weeks into my protective style, to make sure that my hair is separated, especially like on the crown, because sometimes it just be looking real weird and funny looking. So yeah, make sure to do that. And now I'm just pretty much doing my baby hairs. I usually don't do my baby hairs. I just go ahead and just do it helps my 4C hair to just go ahead and stick. And I put some on the sides to get rid of those flyaways, so I won't have to use bobby pins. And that's pretty much it. That's all that goes to it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to do a good deed today. Thank you so much. And see you next time. Goodbye.